Hey, this is David Rich again at housebarons.com. Today we're going to show you how to install a shower enclosure with the Kerdi. It's a Kerdi shower kit, and basically what it is a membrane. This box comes with a membrane that's going to be the floor, and underneath it is a foam tray. Runs about 80 bucks. This also is the drain that they sell with this system. These are proprietary, so only this works with only that, so they say. Someday I'm going to experiment and try something different, but if you want to do it 100% right, bulletproof, you buy their drain. The drain's pretty expensive, somewhere around 120 bucks plus or minus, depending on your the finishes on the drain. But so for basically 200 bucks, we're going to get a shower pan and a completely waterproof enclosure. The company itself says that it will not leak. If you're looking for a good solution that you don't have to worry about after you're done with the project, whether it's going to spring a leak down the road, this is your system. It's really a DIY possible project that you can do.
Alright, it's the next day and we're getting ready to put on the Kerdi Membrane. It's an orange waterproof liner. We're going to put that on with some Thinset onto all these shower walls. There's Dave's niche. Looks really wonderful. When it's all done, it will hold a nice amount of shampoos and soaps and such. So this is the unmodified Thinset?
Unmodified.
Which has to be used to do the Kerdi membrane?
Yes. And the tile. It's all that'll stick to the Kerdi membrane, and the Kerdi membrane is going to make a waterproof barrier, and it's impermeable barrier on the bottom, and when you put the tile on top, the tile is also impermeable, so it dries correctly.
The Kerdi is here. So this is the Kerdi.
Yay.
What's this membrane made of? Do you know?
Polyethylene, I believe.
This is the initial installation of the Thinset. Basically you just kind of glob it on and then use a notch trowel to make the nice little grooves, smooth it out. There's the first Kerdi. So this creates a waterproof seal, and then we can put the towel right on there. So for these corners, you're just putting the Thinset right over the Kerdi.
And then install the seam.
So they actually sell the corners as a separate piece. We'll probably just make it super simple. Alright, so now we have all of the corners are secured. And we're back to that niche again. And there it is. Coming along. We now have the Kerdi on all three walls. The seams all have Thinset on them. And there's that niche.
Alright, so all we got left now is put the protector for the valve. And this, basically what this does is the fatter edge back here is going to go in, and you have a thin edge and a fat edge. It protects the drywall if there was ever to be water penetration. So we put that in, and you know, our plate's going to cover all this, so it's not a big deal. Getting ready to put that tray in. Alright, she's in. First thing, before we lay the Kerdi membrane on the tray, or on the pan, we're going to put our seams down. All you need is a band. It doesn't matter if the band is on top of the tray membrane or under it. We're now putting the Thinset on the tray so we can put our top layer on it, which is like this orange with the orange on the walls, the Kerdi membrane on this tray. And then this thing will be waterproofed in. Now it's just a matter of time waiting for this to dry, but right now what we have is a completely waterproof enclosure. And they say waterproof, not water resistant. Nothing here should leak. That's the beauty of the Kerdi membrane. We're big fans of it. If you're interested in it, we've got stuff. We've got an Amazon affiliate link. Just look below in the description. But you can see that there's great advantage to having put all this in. And once tiles added, you have an enclosure that is the way it should be. If you remember, as we started this video, this was placed right over drywall, and that is per Kerdi. They say it can go right over drywall, it can go over cement board. Because it's waterproof, it's not the material underneath this that you have to worry about, and that gives you just endless flexibility. Hope this helps as you do your own shower installations. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like. We also love comments. We love to hear what you guys are doing, or if you have any questions, we're glad to answer them. If you haven't already, please subscribe. See you next time.